Welcome to LexisNexis Red. We would like to demonstrate how easy it is to switch from your traditional loose leaf to Red. Now let me show you how to download the LexisNexis Red application and how easy it is to access your loose leaf service on your Apple iPad. Activate your iPad, access the Home menu, open the App Store. Now we're going to search for LexisNexis Red within the App Store. We will now download the app to your iPad. Once download is complete, you can click on the Open. To access LexisNexis Red once it is installed on your iPad, simply locate the application on your iPad and tap to launch. If this is the first time you've launched LexisNexis Red, you will need to fill in your login subscription details. If you are returning to the LexisNexis Red application, you will now see and be able to access your loose leaf subscription titles.
With LexisNexis Red, you can effortlessly carry your loose leaf library wherever you need to go. Its convenient offline access means that you can view your loose leaf titles in a digital format without having to depend on an internet connection. No more leafing through papers and manually updating your loose leaf content. LexisNexis Red ensures your titles are updated automatically via our content delivery system as soon as you go online, so you can be confident your content is up to date. This is the landing screen of LexisNexis Red. All of the loose leaf titles that you've paid for will automatically appear on this screen. To access one of your subscriptions, there are buttons on the bottom of each text. For example, we are looking at Ritchie's Uniform Civil Procedure. If I click on the table of contents icon that looks like an open book, that will take me to the first page. On the left-hand side, I can see my navigation pane. I can scroll to find the guide card that I'm interested in, for example, Supreme Court Act 1970. And simply navigate down through the content and find the page I am after. Once I am on the page, I can scroll to read the content. I can annotate content simply by holding down my finger, then choosing either Note or Highlight. If I choose Note, I can then type an annotation, then save it by clicking Done. To see the list of other annotations I've created in this title, I simply touch the pen icon at the bottom of the screen. This brings up the My Annotations page, which has a complete list of the annotations I've made. To then go back to one of these annotations, I simply touch the annotation. It goes straight to that page and scrolls directly to that annotation or highlight. If I want to access content via the index, I simply touch the index button at the bottom of the screen, scroll to the letter that heads the word I am after, click on the word, and it takes me straight to that page. Also at the bottom of the screen is the History button. If I touch on that, it brings up a list of the most recent pages I have accessed. I simply touch on the recent history item and it takes me back to that page. In addition to annotations and the index, there is a search feature at the top of the screen. Here I am going to search for the word payment and touch search. It automatically filters by legislation, commentary, or forms and precedents. As you can see, we have retrieved multiple search results, including payment of interest. I touch on that and it takes me to the relevant page and highlights all the search terms I have looked for. Should you need further support while using LN Red, touch on the cog icon in the top right-hand side and it will take you through to help, tips, and contact details for further assistance.